Since 1989, the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program has worked to preserve and protect Sarasota Bay. Many channels help us achieve this goal, including one that leads right to you. The action and dedication of community members are key to our mission. We are excited to directly support locally led initiatives through our Bay Partners Grant Program. Grant funding is available for projects to enhance wildlife habitats, water quality, environmental education, or community engagement in Sarasota Manatee area bays, tributaries, and watersheds. If you're part of a nonprofit, for-profit, school, or government organization located within the greater Sarasota Bay watershed and have a project or program that benefits our bay, we encourage you to apply.
Hi, my name is Ronnie Van Fleet. I'm a senior scientist with Kimley Horn. This project was brought to me by one of the residents of Orchid Oaks, and she wanted to see something different with her community. She knew she had a beautiful place in the condo association in the preserve areas, but they were full of exotics and nuisance species, and there was no consideration for stormwater. So there was a great opportunity to improve this area for stormwater and the natural communities. The Orchid Oaks Preservation Project is a perfect fit for the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program. It has all the components that you're looking for: environmental outreach, water quality improvements, natural systems functions. Not a lot of people know about this area, but it is like a little bit of old Florida right here in town.
Hi, I'm Jean Doobie. I'm the president of the Sarasota Audubon Society, and here we are at our Nature Center campus in the celery fields. And we use this campus for all sorts of educational programs, and one of which is the one that we launched about 3 years ago for Unidos Now. They're a Hispanic Latino organization in Sarasota, and we were happy to take them on bird walks into the celery fields, and we had a lot of fun doing it. Families came from grandma to the toddlers, and we took them out to the boardwalk and we showed them birds. We loaned them binoculars. We were able to buy Spanish language edition of Kaufman Birds of North America. The Sarasota Bay Estuary Program helped fund that program, for which we were really grateful.
Hi, my name is Federico Vasquez and I'm a volunteer diver with the Suncoast Reef Rovers in Venice. We're a very small diving club, and basically what we do is we pick up trash from the ocean and the Sarasota Bay. For the past 22 years, the Suncoast Reef Rovers have been conducting underwater cleanup in marinas, mooring fields, jetties, and fishing piers. From that area, they have been able to retrieve thousands of pounds of trash. Sarasota has very pretty shorelines, but once you go below the waterline, the story is very different. In 2020, we were able to apply for a grant from Sarasota Bay Partners. With those funds, we were able to buy much needed dive gear, and we were able to conduct 13 underwater cleanups.
Hi, my name is Michael Wood. I'm with Boys and Girls Clubs of Manatee County, and I'm the grant writer for the organization. Our grant project from the Sarasota Bay Estuary Program was for shade trees, and we were able to purchase and install 9 shade trees on our DeSoto property that really had next to no shade on it at all. A couple of the great benefits that we're going to achieve from the installation of the shade trees is, one, shade, which is adjacent to our playfield, which actually has no shade on it currently. It also is going to provide shade to the drive aisle, stores our buses, and with that, will really help reduce the heat island effect. I would encourage everyone that qualifies for the Bay Partners grants to go ahead and apply. They're fairly easy. It may look a little intimidating to begin with, but you have some good help. Just give a call, write an email, and they're really very clear about what they want to see or not. They have very good directions at the front end. Just pay attention to those. It's very helpful.
We appreciate you taking the time to learn about our program, and thank you for the role you play in preserving our beautiful bay.